traveling across state lines to get an abortion.
King 5's Erica Zucco spoke with supporters and opponents of the law. Erica.
Greg and Madison, there is legal defense for parents written into the bill, and supporters of this measure say that they see it as a parental consent issue. However, opponents disagree, saying that they believe it's about medical surveillance and control. House Bill 242 creates what it calls the crime of abortion trafficking and adds the power to authorize the Attorney General to prosecute anyone who facilitates a minor leaving Idaho where abortion is banned for care without parental consent. Among the supporters who pushed for the bill is the center Stanton Healthcare.
We coined the phrase abortion trafficking. It was actually Stanton working with Right to Life of Idaho that came up with that phrase because of the way that the abortions have been pushed on our young women. So when we found out that they were coming up with this bill, we really wanted to be involved. We just believe that young women facing unexpected pregnancies deserve better than abortion.
Planned Parenthood Northwest plans to challenge the measure, saying it will harm minors in abusive households who don't feel comfortable talking with their own parents about their options.
I think this should be a giant red flag for everyone. We have a state that's not only telling its residents what health care they can access within its own borders, but they're also now trying to tell its residents what health care they can access outside of its borders, basically amounting to medical surveillance.
There's been an increase in people seeking abortion care in Washington clinics since the Idaho ban began. There's also been more questions about what's allowed.
This patchwork of laws just creates so much unnecessary uncertainty across the country.
In response, lawmakers are working on measures to protect data on healthcare apps.
It would ensure that people have to give opt-in consent authorized before their healthcare data can be shared and sold with anyone.
A number of states are also considering shield laws, pledging not to cooperate with prosecutions brought by other states. And the bill is still awaiting a signature by the governor. If it is in fact passed, prosecution could lead to prison time of 2 to 5 years. Live in Seattle, Erica Zucco, King 5 News.